Dame un poco love with some Hennessy. You know I like it when you're mad at me. I know you're with him, pero ven aquí. I know you're with him, but you calling me.
Okay guys, so today I am back and I have no makeup on. While I'm doing my hair, I'm actually going to be doing my makeup video after this, so if you want to see how I got the makeup, make sure to go check that video out on my channel. But while I'm doing my hair, my eyes feel a little bit like poofy and stuff, and I just don't like how they're looking right now, so I'm going to put some of these on and just let them sit. And it just comes in a little pouch like this. God damn. We don't want people to get in them. See, it's broke right there, but oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit. I might look funny, but who cares? Okay. Let's get into the hair though. So I just washed my hair. I didn't put really any conditioner in it, so I'm gonna be conditioning it right now. I do also have this spray bottle. This is so that I can keep it moisturized. It needs to be sprayed right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. Hold on, it needs more water. I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna brush it out a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a couple of moisturizers. I'm gonna go in with this Cantu. And I'm also gonna go in with this. Oh, I'm also gonna put some of this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some of this in my hair. This is gonna act as my gel, but it's gonna be more soft and not as hard and crunchy as gel.
I was gonna put you on, I was gonna put you on, I was gonna change your life, girl, but I don't wanna break it.
Okay, now what you want to do is, if your hair isn't already parted in the middle, you want to part it in the middle. My hair isn't perfectly parted, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it right now. Okay, so now what you want to do is we're gonna start and we're gonna just twist it back a little bit, going towards the back. Like, you don't want to have it too far down, too far, too straight back, but we want it to kind of go twist it back a little bit like that. So I'm gonna start on this side, and I'm gonna take my bristle brush and I'm just gonna flatten it out a little bit. And then you want to try to start as close to this as possible. Actually, what you should do is take a little piece first and start twisting that, and then slowly just start adding hair into it. Okay, so if it doesn't come out perfectly how you want it, you can just go ahead and do it a couple times, because I don't like how it's kind of bumpy right here. So I'm just gonna take it and try to redo it. C-O-U-T-H, cause you can't spell it either. Alright, I like how that looks better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to flatten this part out at the end, and I'm gonna take about 3 bobby pins and I'm gonna do 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Alright, now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Okay, so now I have it there. What we're gonna do next is to make sure that it doesn't really get too much more poofier, and then also to give it a little bit more curl, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and my diffuser tip. If you don't have this, a brush, going like this with a brush and like blow drying it would work pretty good, but this is really good. I got this whole set, this whole thing for $20, so it's not too expensive to go and get that. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on hot setting and low air. Alright, and if you can tell, my hair is obviously like way more curlier and it's not wet anymore, so I love that what it does. Like the diffuser is so awesome, and my hair looks really adorable. Like I really love this look. It makes me like feel like really baby faced and like a kid, and it's just super cute. I actually got this hairstyle from Dear White People on Netflix. The girl Samantha was wearing it, and it actually looks like almost exactly how I have it right now. So hold on. So yeah, like even almost the same length and everything. When I seen this hairstyle, I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I bet I would look so cute like that because I have basically the same kind of hair. Okay, now this would not be a Pretty Marie hair tutorial if I did not do my edges, so let me do my edges. And for that, I'm going to use the Moco de Gorilla hair gel. This is like my favorite. It was about 5 minutes ago when I see it. Okay, I just always have to be extra. I don't know, my edges, I haven't really been liking how I've been doing them lately, but I'm trying to figure out what I really do like, so I'm gonna keep it like this. But that completes this hair tutorial. I hope you guys like it. As usual, please hit that subscribe button, and until next time.